How many days until you're a millionaire? Well, you clicked on the right video. Hello everyone, my name is Nick and welcome back to Finance with Nick. Now for today's video, we're gonna go over how much time it's gonna take you to be a millionaire. Now, everyone wants to be a millionaire except Bruno Mars, but it's usually an elusive goal, right? Like you want to get there, but you have no idea how much time it's going to take. You have no plan. So in this video, I'm going to show you that if you invest your money each and every year into the stock market, how long it's going to take you to get to $1 million with the average rate of earning 8% in interest every year. So in this video, we're going to create a plan together, because if you don't know where you're going, you're not going to know how to get there. Said someone famous somewhere. So in this video, we're gonna pave the road and we're gonna get you there, however long it may be. All right, now after essentially all day, I'm actually pretty good at math, and figuring out this formula and figuring out how to do this formula, how to actually figure it out. It took me like all day, essentially. Maybe not all day, but it took me a very long time to figure out this formula and how to solve for X. So if your ultimate goal is to be a millionaire and you want to figure out how long it's going to take to get there, this is the formula that you need to write down. Now, the first number is 1 million. So it's where you want to get to. So if you want to get to 100,000, you could change this number to 100,000. If you want to get to 10 million, you can change this number to 10 million. All right, and then the next interval is IV, which stands for initial investment. Now, this is how much money you're gonna put up front that you wanna start investing into the stock market. Now, these other numbers are important, and I'll just go over the one that you can change, and that is the 0.08. And that is the interest rate over each and every year. Now, on average, the SPY does a little better than this, but I'm gonna keep it conservative, and we're gonna keep it at 8%. But if you want to invest in something else that's not the S&P 500, maybe a 3X ETF, or just something a little more aggressive, you can take the average yearly return and then turn it into a decimal point. So if you do something like, let's say it's 15%, instead of the 0.08, you would change that to 0.15. And then on the top is going to be 12X. Now, X is how many years it's going to take to get to this point. So this is what we're solving for. This is the number we're trying to figure out. All right, then after that, the next interval is MC, which is your monthly contribution. So it's how much money you can save up each and every month that you will dollar cost average into the stock market every single month. So this number could be 100, it could be 500, it could be 1,000. You could put whatever you can save according to your budget. And then again, the 0.08 is the same thing. It's the interest yearly rate. So like I said, I'm just gonna put 0.08 because that is the average of the market as a whole. But if you get something a little different, you can change that. So every time you see 0.08, you can change it to your current interest rate, but in decimal form. And then you kind of just do the math. So that is the formula. So whatever numbers you need to plug in, you need to plug this into the formula. So your initial investment, you need to plug in, and then your monthly contribution, you also need to plug in. And then when you solve for X, it will tell you how many years it will take for you to be a millionaire. Now, if you don't want to do the math yourself and you are a subscriber, you must be a subscriber, you can throw in the comment section your initial investment and your monthly contribution, and I'll do the math for you. But like I said, you must be a subscriber, and then you also got to click that like button. All right, so for this example, we're gonna do an initial investment of $100, and then we're gonna do a monthly contribution of $200. Both insanely realistic, but you would have to do this every single month for this amount of time. So you plug this into the formula, and X, or the number of years, comes out to just over 44, 44.3. So it would take 44.3 years to get to $1 million. And that's earning interest each and every year on your money and putting that $200 in each and every month. So if you are a parent and you have a baby, by 44 years old, that baby will be a millionaire. That's pretty darn cool, right? So it is that simple. The math does get a little complicated, but there's some websites out there where you could just copy and paste and put it in there. But like I said, if you don't want to do the math, you can write your initial investment and then your monthly contribution, subscriber, like, and I will do it for you. All right, and that is it. That is simple. I just wanted to share my research because it took me a long time to figure this out. And I'm really excited that I did. And I'm currently on a 9-year plan of conservative investing. Might change it over time to become a millionaire. So I'll see you in 9 years. All right, and that is it. That is all I have for today's video. Now, if you have any questions on anything that I said, you can either hit me up in the email in the description or just drop a comment and I will get to everything. Now, if you're still here, definitely hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Can't wait for a bunch of millionaires to come out of this.